Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet and I love making videos on shopping hauls, DIYs, fashion, and everything. Today's video, I am going to attempt to make a wreath I saw on Instagram. It is so cute. I'm going to show you what I got to make it and then kind of show you what to do. The first thing that you need is a heart wire wreath. I got this at Hobby Lobby and it was $3.49. And then you need yarn, and I just bought a bunch of different colors, pink and red, and then this white one, which was kind of messed up already. I'll link it below for you so you know exactly which one it is, but it's like really chunky. But let's go ahead and get started and try to make this wreath. I forgot to mention that you'll need, besides the wreath, measuring tape and some scissors, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, I have taken my measuring tape and cut a bunch of the yarn, 6 inches, and I'm going to get started. I actually already did 2, but it's hard to film this. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I have to ask my husband to help me. Same. Take the yarn, fold it in half, stick it through the wire, and then pull the 2 pieces through, and then pull it tight. And squish it over.
Not too high.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, I finished the first top part, and I decided when I had already started, I was gonna do 5 pink and 1 of the off-white, and I threw that color in there. That's like a random one that I had actually. It's from this yarn. It's a little bit smaller, but I'm gonna use a little bit of that and maybe a couple of red. I haven't decided if I want the red actually. I don't know. But now I'm gonna start down here and just fill it up until it's all full. I really don't have an extra pair of hands, so you won't get to see it till it's done, but it is taking a while. I'm not gonna lie, it's taking a while. I am halfway done. This is what it's looking like. And I'm pretty much, well, still have this whole, pretty much this whole side still, but I think it looks really cute. I can't wait to finish it. My back's starting to hurt. I do want to share another tip. In these like inner parts of the wreath, it's really hard because the yarn is getting stuck when you're pulling it through with like the other yarn. So I kind of like roll it, and I can't really show you, but I roll it tight and in the middle so I can pull it through, if that makes sense. And it's not like messy, because if not, it's kind of like this big and you need it small. Okay, that's all. I am finally finished. Here it is. I think it looks really cute, you guys. It did take probably like an hour, maybe longer, an hour and a half. But it's finished. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.